Welcome to the Cool Connection, where you'll experience working capital management in action. Many talk about how cash is king, but it is challenging to manage working capital globally. You'll be immersed in hands-on working capital management in a safe learning environment. What can you expect? You'll take on a management role in this virtual production company and face a range of challenges with increasing complexity. It all starts with understanding the relationship between the physical flow and the financial flow. Learn how decisions across all roles are interrelated and how they impact cash flow, working capital, and financial results. As part of a 4-person management team, you'll experience the complexity of creating efficient ways of managing working capital. Implement, evaluate, and adjust your plan along the way. Experience and understand the cross-functional trade-offs and close the gap between supply chain-related functions and finance. Feel the power of alignment and collaboration in your team. Join us and gain in-depth, real-world experience in working capital management.